John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service is a full suite of professional technician capabilities. Whether you have an on-site technician, or you like to do the repairs yourself, or have an alternative service provider do that work, these tools enable them to use it, protect it, diagnose, repair and maintain it over the life cycle of that piece of equipment. So if you need parts, data, repair and maintenance information, this technology is just a full comprehensive capability for your operation to serve your needs. Ralph is going to take you through how Operations Centre Pro Service can be used day to day in your operation.
G'day, I'm Ralph, Service Marketing Manager at John Deere Australia and New Zealand. As you can see on screen, our customer is in John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service and can view their entire fleet. The customer has been having a few issues with his machine and is going to look into what's going on. The first thing we recommend when you do want to do work on your machine is to check to see if there are any software updates. It looks like our customer has two new updates, the Instrument Cluster Controller and the Powertrain Hydro Controller. Now those downloads are complete, he can now start the installation. You can see he's connected to the tractor with an electronic data link. For non-connected machines, that's the requirement to connect to the tractor diagnostic board. On connected machines, there's also the remote capabilities with Operations Centre Pro Service. So he hits connect and the installation will begin. Alright, the other controller programming was successful. Now he's going to go ahead and switch off the ignition for 60 seconds. Now, with the controller and the programming history, you can see that the customer has updated both of those controllers, the payload software version that it was updated with, and the tool that he used. Okay, so now he's completed his software updates, he's going to go ahead and connect again for diagnostics. It's connecting with the entire machine architecture. It's recognized all the controllers on the machines so that it can perform full diagnostics on the machines if needed. Those full diagnostics include readings, recordings, tests, and calibrations. Anything that a technical repair manual might walk you through if you have a certain issue. One of the amazing features we have with Operations Centre Pro Service is the Ask AI capability to search all the manuals in the machine. For this one, the customer is going to put, "How do I fix DTC?" As you can see, it looks like it's a 6-pin connector. So the customer is going to go ahead and check that connector to see if it has any pins or connectors that are damaged and get them fixed. Alright, so the customer found a bad terminal on that 6-pin connector and has now fixed that. So now, it looks like he has 0 diagnostic trouble codes across his fleet. And that's my quick summary of John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service.
Thanks, Ralph, for the brief overview of John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service. I encourage you to check out its amazing capabilities that will be so beneficial for your operations. You can find out more from your local John Deere dealership or visit our website.